Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to be discussing some unsolicited redesigns for Apple OS, IKEA, Trello, Google, and Starbucks. So stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright, we're going to get started with the Apple redesign. Let's start by first taking a look at the original 2017 operating system so we have something to compare to. Okay, so now for the redesign. The goal was to reimagine what the macOS experience could look like with just a simpler design and a more minimalistic approach. It also features a dark mode, which at the time people have been waiting for quite a while, and as you may know, Apple has recently already integrated. It also features a single operating system that works both for iOS and macOS, which is again something that Apple has implemented. It has a more immersive Safari experience in which Safari will act as a chameleon and adapt to the website you're visiting. And it also features a nice little preview of how Siri could work in augmented reality. Okay, that's it for Apple, so let's now jump into the IKEA concept. Let's start off again just by refreshing our memory as to what the IKEA website looked like. The goal of this redesign is to make IKEA's online store a super personalized experience. The designers decided to make navigating the massive online catalog easier by introducing an assist bot. The assist bot helps the customer seem more welcome and cared for while searching for new products. Once you've found a product that interests you, you'll get to see the product in context in a beautifully designed space online, and then you're offered other products that would go nicely with the original piece of furniture that you chose. Let's now jump into the Trello redesign. And once again, let's take a look at the original design. And now here we can see a more modern and playful look, as well as something that feels a little bit lighter and more peaceful. You can see from the colors that they've chosen that it's almost relaxing to look at. Some really interesting and nice color choices here. And the redesign is also featuring some really nice illustrations and overall just a really big change from that original design we saw a little bit earlier. Okay, so now let's take a look at the Google redesign. Here's what Google was looking like back in 2017 when this redesign was published. And here we have the logo as well. All right, so now taking a look at this redesign, this is a concept that's exploring a new look, which is a little bit more vibrant and engaging than the original. They're using gradients to make the logo look a lot more vivid. And now taking a look at the search function, it's just a lot more minimalist, as well as leaving some room for some exploration for a new menu view. Also, it's providing some insight about what a more immersive Google search could feel like, which is, I think, actually the most interesting part of this redesign. Okay, last up, we have a really incredible redesign for the Starbucks website. Here's what we had, first of all, in the original website of 2018, just for comparison. Now jumping into the redesign. So honestly, this is a really, really amazing redesign. Here they're relying on awesome animations and these really delightful little illustrations. There's a little noise effect being used throughout, which is really giving it this unique look. And it's featuring a mix between minimalism and these absolutely beautiful illustrations. Just take a look at these animations. They're completely bringing this design to life. Yeah, and over here, they're also making it really easy for you to find a store near you. Overall, we're really a huge fan of this entire redesign, and we hope that you liked it as well. And we hope that you enjoyed this entire video. You can find all the links to our social media platforms, as well as all the featured redesigns from Behance down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next Monday for another video.